What is a variable separable form of differential equation? Variable separable form. Variable separable an equation. Variable separable form. An equation which separates x dx and y dy. Terms of a differential equations. Terms of a differential equations is referred to as variable separable. Variable separable form. Example: the variable separable form of a differential equation. The variable separable form of a differential equation of first order and first degree dy by dx equal to f of x comma y is f of x into dx plus g of y into dy equal to 0. So now the general solution of the form. General solution form of an equation can also be obtained by using substitution method. The general solution of this form is obtained by integrating the terms and adding an additional arbitrary constant to the variable separable form. Variable separable form, that is integral f of x into dx plus integral g of y into dy equal to c. Therefore, variable separable is a equation can also be obtained. Variable separable form of an equation can also be obtained by substitution method. Obtained by substitution method. So this is a variable separable form of a given differential equation. So if the equation is in the form of some function, and then apply f of x into dx plus g of y into dy, and then apply integration to the above equation, then variable separable form of an equation can also be obtained by using the substitution method. Solve dy by dx equal to 2x plus y plus 1 whole square. Solution. Given differential equation is dy by dx equal to 2x plus y plus 1 whole square. And let t equal to, so now by taking this one as t equal to 2x plus y plus 1. So now differentiating the equation 2. So this is the equation 2 and this is equation 1. So now differentiating the equation 2 with respect to x. Now dt by dx equal to d by dx of 2x plus y plus 1. D by dx of 2x plus y plus 1. So then which implies 2 plus dy by dx. So now dy by dx equal to dt by dx minus 2. So now substituting the corresponding values in the equation. Now substituting the corresponding values in equation 1. dt by dx minus 2 equal to t square. So then dt by dx equal to 2 plus t square. dt by 2 plus t square equal to dx. Integrating the equation 3. Now integrating then integral dt by 2 plus t square, here integral dx. So now it can be written as integral dt by t square plus root 2 whole square equal to integral dx. So 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of t by root 2 equal to x plus c. So here since dx by x square plus a square equal to 1 by a into tan inverse x by a. So this is a form of dy by dx. So it means 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of 2x plus y plus 1 by root 2, which implies x plus c. It means in the place of t you have to substitute the value 2x plus y plus 1. Therefore the required equation is The required equation is 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of 2x plus y plus 1 by root 2 equal to x plus c. This is the required equation of the given equation.